Oh, bugger it. I know it's not the most private place to do it, but I'm going to do this out here. So I will be reviewing my one right now. 2000 watt rear wheel, running with a 1500 watt sine wave controller. One of these mad LCDs, Suring Max. It's got a cool little control panel there. And a thumb throttle. No pedal assist. I think got gears on that. I haven't got gears on there. I took the gears off. I just put it in that single gear. I like it in that gear. I don't really need anything else. Look, toss that bloody hub motor. Gonna get another one of these front tyres on the back. Or I'll put this front one on. I'll get a new front one. I like these ones. Got the old 15 amp hour Parasonic cells. Little big forks. I've had these handlebars now. Dead straight still. Feels like 150 quid set of handlebars at like 15 quid on eBay. I don't think you could ask for a more reasonably priced better product. Weight handlebars. I'd recommend them anyway. These forks, although they're not Fox 40s, but these forks are sick. Sick over here. Come with the carbon front wheel as well. The through axle. People probably thinking I'm mad who live around here, but oh well. There's a nuke proof seat, look at that. I'll lighten that up a bit. That's the coil. There's a rebound under there. Where is it? There she is. Okay. Jesus Christ, this bike is quick, mate. Oh my God. Oh, I'm not going any quicker than that. Scary. This bike just don't like going up this hill. It is a steep old hill. Nearly there, bike. Nearly there. So it's always a view that makes it worth it up there. Jaws of a mountain bike.